Hey friends, if you wish to fix WMI provider host high CPU usage on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the Windows Management Instrumentation Service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. So scroll down to Windows Management Instrumentation Service, right click on it and then select Restart. The next solution is to perform a malware scan on your computer. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on MRT. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next once again and let it run through. The next solution is to update drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Advanced Options. Select optional features and you can install any driver updates that are available. The last solution is a clean boot. So how would you perform a clean boot on your computer? Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, then click on Disable all, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.